please hit the notification bell and also hit the like button. This helps in our ratings with the videos and we appreciate it. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. We're going to talk about basic plastic work. We did this video back in January 23rd of 2017, so over 4 years ago, and it only had a couple of hundred views. So we thought we'd go back and revisit it, re-edit it, give you some more information, and let you see it again. Please enjoy. Showing how to cut this line. We won't be using a Dremel tool or a razor knife. What we'll be using is a tool that we're going to cut at a 45-degree angle this line. We're going to free this piece from the plastic. The tool that we're using from Harbor Freight is nothing more than a high-speed angle head grinder, and on it we have a roll-lock pad that is not a roll-lock, but it's actually a 36 grit sandpaper. It's fairly coarse, and that's what you want. Now we're going to throw out a lot of plastic here. We're going to make a lot of noise, but this is what we're going to use to very rapidly go ahead and ease that plastic out of it. So basically, all we're doing is we're taking compressed air, and we find the line, and then at 45 degrees we cut it. By running along at a 45-degree angle, we have now completely freed up one part of the side of this piece of plastic. We do the other three sides and it'll be completely clear. Let's see, so you can see it. If you don't hold it down hard enough, you'll see that it doesn't quite free it, and that's a simple matter to come back with a second pass, removing all the plastic, or you can take a razor knife and just cut it out. Wasn't that quick and easy, especially at 8 times normal speed, but it's just a simple process. Take your time and have fun. And there you go, one piece of plastic freed out of your canopy window. Now this is only the first very rough cut. There'll be a lot more trimming needed to go. You'll want to come back here with some sandpaper on a fairly long board and get a nice flat straight edge. But keep in mind, this is where we're going to put window trim. That's going to push right up against the canopy glass. We want a nice clean installation. But that's how you can very rapidly take a piece of plastic out and get your plastic ready for install in the canopy. We hope you've enjoyed this. As always, more videos on maintenance with GPA. Thank you for watching. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.